Salut à tous et bienvenue, j'espère que vous allez bien. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿。As you can see in the title, today we're gonna talk about weather. Weather in Chinese is 天气. We learned that before in the sentence. 今天天气怎么样? How is the weather today? But as usual, before we start our topic, I'm gonna ask you a few questions to test if you remember what we learned before. Now let's start. Question 1. 你吃饭了吗? My answer to that is 我吃了 because I just ate my lunch. How about you? Question 2. 明天你要去哪儿? For me, 明天我要去奶奶家. Question 3. 晚上你想做什么? 晚上你想做什么? My answer to that is 晚上我想运动和洗澡。晚上我想运动和洗澡。Question 4. 今天天气怎么样? 今天天气怎么样? My answer to that will be 今天天晴。今天天晴。If you didn't understand what I am asking, that's okay. See the picture I posted here. I wrote down the translation so you can pause here and prepare your answer and answer those questions one by one. So our last question is 今天天气怎么样? How is the weather today? That's the way people talk about the weather, how they post the question. 今天天气怎么样? I know I do see in movies or TV series. I don't know if that's kind of stereotype about English people because they want to start their conversation by asking how it's the weather today, by talking about the weather. As I said before, Chinese people like to ask people 你吃饭了吗 when they see each other. It's most of the times they don't like actually want to know 你吃饭了吗? It's just in some ways it's one way of greeting. So yeah, it's the most common one, I think. When we chat with our family or we call our friend, we might want to ask how is the weather today at your place? 今天天气怎么样? So the answer to that question will be 今天 then add the condition of the weather. Maybe 今天 maybe today is raining 今天下雨 or it's snowing 今天下雪 or it's 天晴 sunny just like my place today and 今天多云 means cloudy. We will learn that later. First word we catch today is 天气. By the way, when you try to answer the question, you don't have to say it's raining or snowing or it's sunny. You can just say, oh, it's very good. It's very good weather, a lovely weather. 今天天气很好. 很 means very, 好 means good. So today is like pretty lovely, just like my place because I like sunny day. Okay, now let's catch some words related to weather. First one, fog, 雾. Second one, 寒冷的 cold. Third one, 多云 cloudy. First, 阵雨 is shower rain. 5. 下雨天 raining day. Snow 下雪 and stormy 暴风雨 dry 干旱的 and hot 炎热的 and sleet 雨夹雪 Like in my place, especially in winter, when it gets really cold, normally we don't have heavy snow, but it's very common for us to have a sleet day, which I think it's freezing cold, and I hate sleet day. I don't know if you feel the same. And next one, rainbow 彩虹 彩虹. I think there's one time I saw a double rainbows. It's really pretty, but I only got to see one time. Okay, next one. 温地，多风的，多风的 ，and sunny，晴朗的，晴朗的 ，and 冰雹，冰雹 ，hail hail。And next one, ice ice. It's 冰冰。Now let's pick out some words that are very useful for us when we describe the weather. The first one, 天晴，天晴 sunny. So you can say 今天天晴 Today it's sunny. Or you can say 今天下雨，下雨 it's raining 下雨。那 third one, cloudy 多云多云 So you can say 今天多云 Next one, windy 刮风刮风 Like today it's super windy. You can say 今天刮大风 Next one, 阴天阴天 It's a overcast day. 阴天我不喜欢阴天 It's I don't like overcast day because it just like I think overcast day makes people feel upset. I don't know how you feel. Now next one, 下雪 snowing. As we learn 下雨 it's raining, but raining day have different had different rain. Maybe it's just sprinkle 下小雨下小雨小 in Chinese means small, so 下小雨 means it's just light rain. Next one, 下中雨下中雨中 in Chinese means middle, so 下中雨 means moderate rain. And next one, 下阵雨下阵雨阵雨 means short sharp rain. So at my place when summer comes 夏天的时候 it's like almost every day we have a short sharp rain 下阵雨 And next one 下暴雨or 下大雨那大 in Chinese means big, huge 下暴雨 or 下大雨 is heavy raining or rainstorm. And we also learned 下雪下雪 So 下雪 means it's snowing. Here 雪 is snow. When it's a snowing day, it has different kinds of snow. So we have 下小雪下小雪 light snow, and we have 下中雪 moderate snow, or 下阵雪下阵雪下阵雪 so it's a snow shower. Then we have heavy snowstorm 下暴雪 or 下大雪 Now let's learn some words that we can use to describe the temperature. First one is 温暖温暖温暖 means warm. Like in my place exactly now it's spring 春天 spring 春天 So the weather is warm. We can say 春天的天气很温暖春天的天气很温暖 It means it's very warm. The weather is very warm in spring. Next one, 热热 hot. So when summer comes, 夏天夏天 means summer. My place is like super hot. 很热夏天很热夏天很热 And next one, 凉爽凉爽凉爽 means cool. So in my place, autumn 秋天秋天 The weather is like super cool, so I like autumn. And next one, cold 冷冷 like winter 冬天冬天很冷冬天很冷冬天很冷 Winter is super cold. Like now I'm in my room. 我在房间里 So the temperature is just fine. So I can say 不冷也不热房间里不冷也不热 It's not cold or it's not hot. So I can say 房间里不冷也不热房间里 means in the room. So inside the room it's not cold and it's not hot. I don't remember if I told you guys before, I live in a south province of China, but when I go back to school, I live in Beijing because my university is located in Beijing. But no matter where I live, there's like one thing in common between the two provinces is there is clear lines between the four seasons. Oh yeah, so I can say there is 4 seasons within 1 year. 一年有4个季节，一年 is 1 year. We learned 年 before 有4个季节，季节 it's season. So the sentence goes like 一年有4个季节。There goes spring 春天 and summer 夏天 and autumn 秋天 and winter 冬天 and quick quiz here. Do you still remember how we say months? It's 月 yes, it's 月. So at my place from March to May, I can say March, April, May is spring 春天. I can say 3月、4月、5月是春天。From June to August, 6月、7月、8月是夏天 it's summer. September, October, November is 9月、10月、11月 is 秋天。9月、10月、11月是秋天。And December, January, February 12月、1月、2月是冬天。Pay attention here when I say 3月到5月 I mean from March to May. So I use one character 到. So in Chinese, when you say A 到 B, then you means from A to B. For example, summer is from June to August. 6月到8月 And also, you can say when you want to say from 4 o'clock to 9 o'clock, 4点到9点 Or you want to say from Monday to Friday, 星期一到星期五 And you can also use that to describe from one place to another place. For example, how we say home, 家 and we say 学校 school, right? So you can say 家到学校 from home to school, it's up to you. So now let's practice one more time. You start to describe the months of all the 4 seasons. First one, 春天 spring is 3月到5月 3月到5月夏天 summer is 6月到8月 and 秋天 is 9月到11月 and winter 冬天 is 12月到2月 and if the partition of the seasons in your place is different from mine, that's okay. You can just change the months into yours and try to practice a little bit. And now it's the discuss session, like 你喜欢什么季节? There are 4 seasons within 1 year. 一年有4个季节。你喜欢什么季节? What season do you like? 你喜欢什么季节? The answer can be 我喜欢 then add the season you like. Then you can tell me the reasons. 因为 because we learned that before. 因为 So I will go first. If you are asking me 你喜欢什么季节? I'm gonna say 我喜欢秋天。我喜欢秋天。秋天 means autumn, right? 我喜欢秋天 because 因为秋天的天气不冷也不热 because the weather in autumn is not cold and it's not hot. 每天都天晴每天means every day. So every day is a sunny day. 而且 besides 秋天的风很凉爽 Besides 而且秋天的风 风 means wind, so the wind in autumn 很凉爽 it's super cool. Let's say that again. 我喜欢秋天，因为秋天的天气不冷也不热，每天都天晴，而且秋天的风很凉爽。Now it's your turn to tell me what season do you like. I'm posting the question. 你喜欢什么季节 You're gonna say 我喜欢 Then at the season you like, then you say because, tell me the reason. Or you can leave a message below and tell me why. And now finally we are getting this part. This part you need to listen carefully. I'm gonna give you a weather forecast at my place, so listen carefully. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a weather forecast about recent days given by 顿顿。昨天天晴6到19度，昨天天晴6到19度，今天多云10到18度，今天多云10到18度，明天多云9到20度，明天多云9到20度。后天天晴10到23度，后天天晴10到23度。As you can see, the weather recently is pretty lovely, so I suggest you can go out with your friends or your family, and you guys have maybe go have a picnic in the park, and it's a very good time for you guys to bond with each other. I wish all of you have a nice day, so see you next time. Like I just recorded this video, I just recorded the weather forecast about 4 days, and I already feel it's very difficult because I need to recheck the weather a couple times. So now I want you to try a little bit and be the weather report at your place and tell me how is the weather like recently. So first one, you're gonna tell me 前天天气怎么样？As we learned before, 前天 is the day before yesterday. 前天天气怎么样 Next one, 昨天天气怎么样？昨天天气怎么样 Also, 今天天气怎么样？今天天气怎么样Okay, and 明天天气怎么样？明天天气怎么样？Okay, if you didn't understand what I am asking, you can try to look this page. This page I post the translation, so you can post here and try to be a local weather reporter at your place and tell me the weather. So again, 前天天气怎么样？昨天天气怎么样？今天天气怎么样？明天天气怎么样 And before we end our video today, let's do a little bit review about the words we catch today. So first one, 天晴 sunny. Second one, 下雨 raining. Third one, 多云 cloudy. Next one, 刮风 windy. Next one, 阴天 overcast day. And next one, 下雪 snowing. And there are 4 seasons within 1 year. 一年有4个季节 It goes like 春天3月到5月，夏天6月到8月，秋天9月到11月，冬天12月到2月。Okay guys, that's all for today. If you look forward to see more videos about Chinese learning, you can give a like, subscribe my channel, or if you have any question or advice for me, you can leave a message below and I will appreciate that. This is 顿顿说中文，我是顿顿，大家下次再见。